Here in lab system, you are having patient's records of year 2013 and year 2014. Suppose your lab system is running slow, so you want to delete irrelevant patient's records. Suppose you want to delete patient's records of year 2013. Click on System Settings submenu of Tools menu. System Settings form is opened. Here in Date Selection section, change from date to 1st January 2013. And change to date to 31st December 2013. Now click on Delete Patient Between Date Range button. Here you can see warning message which asks, are you sure you want to delete records registered between from date and to date? Click on Yes button. Here you can see all patients' records registered in year 2013 are deleted. Suppose you want to take data backup. So after incident like operating system crash, you can restore data backup in reinstalled lab management system application. There are two ways to take data backup. First is instant backup. Second is automatic backup. Before doing instant backup or before starting automatic backup or before initiation of data restore process, you must complete one-time activity. To complete one-time activity, go to System Settings form. Here, click on Change SQL Server SQL Express Service Logon to Local System from NT Authority button. SQL Server Configuration Manager window is opened. Here in Left hand side preview, select SQL Server 2005 services item. Now from right hand side list view, select SQL Server SQL Express item. Then right click on it. Pop-up menu is opened. Click on Properties menu item. SQL Server SQL Express Properties window is opened. In this window, Log On tab is selected. Here, select Local System from Built-in Account drop-down list. Click on Apply button. Here in Message, click on Yes button. Now click on Restart button. Now click on OK button. Close SQL Server Configuration Manager window. Now one-time activity is completed. Just after one-time activity, if you are going to open any form, you might get error message, or you are unable to find data in opened form. From here, you can proceed in 3 ways. First, in case of error, continue with error. Then close form on which you were getting error and reopen same form. This time you will not get error. In case of data unavailability in form, close that form, then reopen same form. Second, after one-time activity, restart lab management system application. Third, after one-time activity, wait for some time, then open new form or start any other activity. Suppose you want to take instant data backup. Click on Backup Restore Database submenu of Tools menu. backup restore database form is opened. Here in backup information section, select ./SQL Express from select server drop down list. Here you can see, after selection of ./SQL Express from select server drop down list, databases list items are populated. Select lab 2 from databases list items. Suppose you want to create new folder under D drive and in it you want to save data backup file. Click on select backup folder button. Here in browse for folder window, select D drive. Then click on make new folder button. Write new folder name. Select it. Then click on OK button. Now you need to write data backup file name in backup file name text box. You can write file name with or without extension. Without extension, you can write file name like lab backup underscore 29 October. And with extension, you can write file name like lab backup underscore 29 October dot BAK. Now click on DB backup button. Here you can see message which says backup database has been taken successfully. Do you want to see backup file? To see backup file, click on yes button. As you know, this is a less useful process. It is very rare that you will take instant data backup and just thereafter operating system will be crashed and you will restore data backup without data loss. If you are regularly taking instant data backup, then also there are still chances of some data loss. So suppose you want to start automatic data backup process. To start automatic data backup process, go to system settings form. Here select yes in automated backup options. Click on browse folder button to specify folder location for automatic data backup file storage. Folder location should be in those drives where operating system is not installed. In most of computers, operating system is installed in C drive. So folder location should be in D, R, E, etc. drives. Suppose you are creating new folder with name automatic lab data backup in D drive. And selecting this folder. Now click on Save button. After 15 minutes, you can see automatic data backup file with name lab2 underscore backup dot bak inside of automatic lab data backup folder. Next day, you can see new folder with name of backup of previous day inside of automatic lab data backup folder. You can see last data backup file of previous day inside of backup of previous day folder. Next month, you can see new folder with name backup of previous month inside of automatic lab data backup folder. Here you can see last data backup file of previous month inside of backup of previous month folder. Next year you can see new folder with name backup of previous year inside of automatic lab data backup folder. Here inside of backup of previous year folder you can see folder with name 2014. Here in 2014 folder you can see last data backup file of year 2014.